So everybody's getting tricked by the TV broadcast into thinking that this was 6 inches outside the strike zone. But first off, what you're looking at on screen is where the catcher catches the ball. And secondly, that strike zone isn't accurate. So let me demonstrate. All right, so if I break down the frames on this pitch, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 frames. Now, Mason Miller's release point is a little bit over 70 inches. That's above average. I don't know exactly how far back the catcher is, but let's just say that from hand to glove is about 58 feet. So if it took 14 frames to travel 58 feet, that means each frame it traveled about 4 feet, a little bit over that. And if the catcher is set up about 5 or 6 feet behind home plate, that means that about 1 or 2, a little bit over 1 frames back is actually where the ball passed through the strike zone. I'm not going to say it should be all the way up here in the on-screen strike zone, but I am comfortable saying it's probably closer to here. Now, you'd be right to say, well, hey, that's still not a strike. It's outside the zone. But remember, the umpire is not looking at that little box. Okay, so what he's focusing on isn't this thing that's on screen that you're looking at. He's looking at the knees. Okay, so the umpire is making his determination about where the bottom of the strike zone is based on where the knees are. And the knees move. So he's not like looking at the strike zone, then quick checking the knees. He's getting an idea based on where the batter sets up. His knee is several inches below the depicted strike zone. So if you factor in again where the pitch was when it crossed home plate probably and where the bottom of the strike zone really should be, you'll see this was at least very close, if not actually just a strike.